Good evening, students. Let us discuss about arithmetic progressions. So we'll go with arithmetic progression, its concepts and applications, students. Let us go with the basic concepts of arithmetic progression as well as basic concepts of arithmetic progression as well as important points as we learned in earlier. So what is arithmetic progression? First, you should know. That is an arithmetic progression is an AP is nothing but a list of numbers which are obtained by adding a fixed term with its preceding term except first term. It is not applicable first term. The fixed term is called as the common difference, that is D, and general form of terms of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. As we know, form of terms we know, and general term or nth term or general term or nth term or last term is defined as a plus n minus 1 into t, and we know the formula for common difference also a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a up to an minus 1. From this we can define general term, last term or nth term as a plus n minus 1 into d. Next sum of n terms is defined as depends on different situation. When a n d we know n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and if we know only n a n, n by 2 of a plus a n equals to n by 2 of a plus l if l is stand for last term. Let us go with next slide, students. And if an is defined as 3n plus 2, to find first 5 terms simply we'll substitute n value as 1. Then a1 is, if we substitute 1, 3 into 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. If we substitute 2, 3 into 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, so on. Like that, a3 will become 3 3 is a 9 plus 2, 11. a4, 3 4 is a 12 plus 2, 14. a5, 3 into 5 plus 2, 15 plus 2, 17. Similarly, we can find first 5 terms of given sequence where an is defined as 2n minus 1 3 by 6, 2n minus 3 by 6. Substitute n is equal to 1, we get a1 as 2 into 1 minus 3 by 6, which is 2 minus 3 by 6, which is minus 1 by 6. Similarly, a2 is 2 into 2 minus 3 by 6, which is 4 minus 3 by 6, which is 1 by 6. Similarly, a3 is 2 into 3, 2 into 3 minus 3 by 6, 6 minus 3 by 6, which is 3 by 6. Lowest form is shortest form. Lowest form is 1 by 2. Similarly, a4, if we substitute n as 5, a4, if we substitute n is 4, 2 4 by 8 minus 3 by 2, 5 by 6, 3 by 6, that is 5 by 6, a5, 2 into 5 minus 3 by 6, 10 minus 3, 7 by 6. Let us go with next slide, students. So if you go, show the sequence defined by an equals to 5n minus 7 is an AP. Find its common difference. Let us find the first 3 or 4 terms. If we substitute n equals to 1, we get a1 value as 5 into 1 minus 7. 5 into 1 minus 7 is 5 minus 7 minus 2. Similarly, 5 2 is a 10 minus 7, 3. Similarly, a3 is 5 3 is a 15 minus 7, 8. 4 5 4 is a 20 minus 7, 13. So we have first 4 terms minus 2, 3, 8, 13 is an AP. Let us check whether it is AP or not. In each case, we'll find difference between preceding term with its successive term. In each case, common difference is same, it is AP. If common difference is not same, it is not AP. If we observe a2 minus a1, 3 minus of minus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. a3 minus a2, 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. I mean, a2 minus a3 minus a2 is 8 minus 3, which is 5. a4 minus a3 is 13 minus 8, 5. So in this case, in all these three cases, common difference is fixed. So it is an AP. Let us take which is not AP. Show that the sequence define an equal 3n square minus 5 is not AP. Same way, we'll substitute n equals to 1. We get a1. 3 into 1 square minus 5, 3 minus 5 minus 2. a2, 3 into 2 square minus 5, 3 4 the 12 minus 5, 7. a3, 3 into 3 square, 3 0, 9, 27 minus 5, 22. And a4, 3 into 4 square minus 5, we get 3, 6, 3, 16, the 48 minus 5, 43. If you observe in each case, common difference is not same. 7 minus half minus 2, 9. 22 minus 7, 22 minus 7 we get 15. 9 and 15 never equal, so it is not an AP. When the difference is not fixed, it has no common difference, so it is not an AP. So let us go with next slide, friends. So here it is given the general term of a sequence is mentioned is given by n equal to minus 4n plus 15 is the sequence of AP. Well, we have to check whether it is AP or not. If it is AP, 15 term and common difference we need to find. Same way we'll substitute as we have done previously. Same way substitute n equals to 1, we get minus 4 into 1 plus 15 minus 4 plus 15 11. If we substitute to A2 equal to minus 4 into 2 plus 15 minus 8 plus 15 7. A3 minus 4 into 3 plus 15 equal minus 12 plus 15 3. A4 and so on. A5 also we got minus 5. If we substitute 4 minus 1. So let us check whether the common difference, the difference is fixed value or not. As we see, first term is 11. So A2 minus A1 equals 7 minus 4, 7 minus 11 minus 4. Similarly, A3 minus A2, 3 minus 7 minus 4, because larger number is negative, minus 4 we get. A4 minus A3, minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. A5 minus A4, minus 5 minus of minus 1 minus 5 plus 1, larger number negative minus 4. In this all 4 conditions fixed value, it is common difference. It is an AP also because difference is fixed value. They are equal in each case. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, A5 minus A4. In each case fixed, so it is an AP. Now 15th term. 15th term we can find different ways. One is A plus 14D or else by substituting also by taking minus 4 into 15 plus D. Also we can do because already an value given. Substitute minus 16 plus 15 minus 45 or else an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d formula also we can use. Anyway it is correct. So next problem is given, find the value of x if it is given 3 terms are in AP, 8x plus 4, 6x minus 2, 2x plus 7. To whether we'll check. If it is an AP, what is the role difference between A2 minus A1 must be equal to A3 minus A2. So 6x minus 2 minus of 8x plus 4 must be equal to 2x plus 4 minus of 6x minus 2. When we multiply by minus symbol, little careful students. 6x minus 2 plus into minus into plus minus 8x minus into plus minus 4 equals to 2x plus 7 minus into plus minus 6x, but here little careful, minus into minus plus 2. All then we have 6x minus 8 minus, because larger number is negative, 6x minus 8x minus 2x minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 equals to 2x minus 6x minus 4x, 7 plus 2, 9. Write all x terms one side, constant one side. We have 2x equal to 15. So x equals to 2 can change into division 15 by 2. So next we'll go with next slide. So after doing this simplification, we got x equal to 15 by 2. Let us go with next slide. So here in next slide it is given 1 AP minus 1 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 1 by 4 comma 3 by 2. So here first term is a minus 1, second term is 1 by 4, third term is 3 by 2. So in this case we'll find A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. The common difference we got 5 by 4 and whose common difference is 5 by 4. We need to find next 4 terms. If by adding also we get 3 by 2 is the third term. If you add common difference to third term, we get fourth term. If you add 5 by 4 to fourth term, we get fifth term. If you add 5 by 4 to sixth term, fifth term, we get sixth term. If you add 5 by 4 to sixth term, we get seventh term. So next 4 terms are 11 by 4. After doing simplification, 4. After that, 21 by 4, 13 by 2. In the similar manner, we can check whether it is AP or not. We can find common difference. We can find other 4 terms of AP also, students. We go with next slide, students. So now we have one more problem similar model to previously. Given AP is root 2 comma 3 root 2 comma 5 root 2 so on. First term is root 2. Common difference is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Anyway it is same. 3 root 2 minus root 2. 3 root 2, if we subtract 1 root 2 term from 3 root 2 we get 2 root 2 or else 5 root 2s. If we subtract 3 root 2s from 5 root 2s, 2 root 2 is left over. An is A plus n minus 1D formula we will use. We need to find here, we need to find over here a is 18th term, which is nothing but a plus 17D, root 2 is A, 17 into 2 root 2, root 2 plus 17 to the 34 root 2. If you add 34 root 2s with 1 root 2, 35 root 2. So 18th term is 35 root 2. In the similar manner, we can find which term we need to find. Let us do another example also, same model. 10th term of AP minus 40 minus 15 10 35. We have APs three types: increasing AP, decreasing AP, constant AP. Here it is increasing AP because minus 40 become minus 20, minus 15 become 10 become 35. It is increasing. So here first term is minus 40, and common difference as we know A2 minus A1 minus 15 of minus 40, 25 is common difference. Substitute in the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have minus 40 plus 10 minus 1 into 25. If we multiply and simplify, we get minus 40 plus 9 into 25, which is minus 40. 25 nines are 225. 225 minus 40, 185. In the similar manner, we can find any term of given AP in this manner by using nth formula. Let us go with next slide, students. Here it is given how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. First we should know what are 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers start from 100 and with 999. From this, what are multiples of 7 we should know. So multiples of 7 of 3 digits are 105, 112, 119, so on. 994 is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So according to given AP, A is 105, D is 112 minus 105, 7. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D, 994. Substitute in A n equals to A plus n minus 1 into D and simplify. Plus 105 transpose, that can change into minus 105. 994 minus 105, 889. Transpose 7, another side of equality, it will become division. 7 ones are 7, 127 are. But actually we require number of terms which is nothing but n. N equals to minus 1 can change into plus 1, 127 plus 1, 128. So total number of 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 7 are 128. Similarly, one more application on arithmetic progression. Which term of AP of 84, 80, 76, so on is 0? First, sometimes the term may not exist if n is not a natural number. So let us check whether it is any natural number or not. So given AP is 84. According to given AP, A is 84. Common difference is 84 minus 84 minus 84, 80 minus 84 minus 4. Here common difference is minus 4, students, because it is decreasing AP. Minus 4 is common difference. So here common difference is minus 4. It is a decreasing AP. So now after that, if you observe, students, so 0 equals to 84 plus n minus 1 into d, where d is minus 4. This method is easy, which I have written down. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0, because 0 is nth term. A is 84 plus n minus 1 into d value minus 4 equal to 0. If you transpose, it will become minus 84. So n minus 1 equals to minus 84. Here minus 4 is, in this case minus 4 is in multiplication. It transposes to division. So minus 84 by minus 4, minus minus cancel, 84 by 4, which is 21, but we required n value. So n equals to minus 1 transpose, another side of equality become plus 1, n is 22. So a 22nd term of the given AP is 0. In this way, we can find which term is 0 or which term is possible or not in this pattern by using an formula. Let us go with next slide with another example or another application of arithmetic progression. So in this slide, we'll discuss about whether 68 is possible in the given AP or not. I said if n is natural number, then only the term is exist. If not, the term does not exist in the given AP. So 7, 10, 13, so on. So if you observe, common difference is 3, A is 7. If you substitute in the similar manner, we got n value 64 by 3. We know 64 is not possible in 3 terms. It is not a natural number. When it is not natural number, 68 is not a term of given sequence. In this way, we can check whether the given term is possible in the given AP or not. So students, let us go with another example, another application of AP. It is given that 26th, 11th and last term of AP are defined as 0, 3 and minus 1 by 5 respectively. Find the common difference and number of terms. Number of terms means n. So according to definition of nth term, A is equal to A plus n minus 1D. We can write A 26 term as n minus 1 means 26 minus 1, 25. So we can write A 26 as A plus 25 D equal to 0. It is given. Equation 1, let us consider. 11th term A11 equals to, according to formula of general term, A it become A plus 10D, which is equal to 3, equation 2, which is given according to problem. And nth term is given. Nth term, nothing but last term we can say it as An also, which is defined as An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is given minus 1 by 5, equation 3. By applying elimination method, do subtraction because A to cancel A and A, to cancel A and A, please do subtraction. After doing subtraction, symbol will change. So AA get cancelled. After getting AA cancelled, 25D minus 10D, 15D, 0 minus 3 minus 3. So if you do simplification, students, D equals to, we get minus 3 by 15. If you do cancellation, what you will get? 3 ones are 3 5s are. So here minus 1 by 5, here minus 1 by 5 is the minus 1 by 5 is the common difference. So by using this common difference, by substituting in any one of these two equations, we get A value. Let us do the next part by going with next slide. Please go with next slide with the rest of the part of this problem. So here we got common difference minus 1 by 5 in the previous slide. So substitute in the A plus 25D equal to 0 where D is minus 1 by 5, and here 5 it is after substituting D value as minus 1 by 5 in this, we have 5 ones 5 5s as we know, plus into minus minus. So we have here A minus 5 equals to, it is 0 students, because 0 is given. Minus 5 can change into plus 5. So A is 5. Now we need to find nth term value. So after to find nth term, A equal to A plus n minus 1 into D equal to minus 1 by 5. Substitute the values whatever given. Simplify. We got n minus 1 equals to minus 26 by 5. Here minus 1 by 5 transfer on the side, minus 5 by 1. So we got minus 5 by 1. 5 ones are 5 ones are get cancelled. Then we have minus into minus plus. So we have plus 26 n minus 1 equal to plus 26. Minus can change to plus n equal to 27. So number of terms are 27. This is the way to find number of terms, common difference, A value, D value by using elimination method. So every method is applicable, and we can apply in different ways, children. So you need to apply elimination method in this case to find the unknown value of A and D. So after that, we'll go with the next example in the same slide. So this is 5 students, keep in mind. So we'll go with the next slide. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 302? All terms between 10 and 250, it's not, children. It is 302. It is 302. So what are the multiples of 4? Let us see. So multiples of 4 are, after 10, 10 is not multiple of 4, 11 is not. So 12, 16, 20, so on. 302 is not multiple of 4. We should take less than 302, that is 300. So means A value 12, D value 16 minus 12, 4, and A nth term is 300. Substitute 12, the values whatever we know, except n, rest all values we have. 12 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 300, plus 12 can change to minus 12, n minus 1 equal into 4 equal to 288, n minus 1 equals to 4 is in multiplication. If we transpose it become division. So we get n minus 1 equals to 72. As we know, 4 ones are 4, 72 are. So n equals to plus can change into minus. So we got n value 73. So there are 73 multiples of 4 between 10 and 302. This is the way to find multiples of 4, multiples of 7. We can find multiples of even 2, 3, depends on case. So now these are the applications. Now let us go with next slide with another application of arithmetic progression. Here when Sn value is given, how to find A25 and An, let us discuss. So here sum of the n terms Sn is defined as 3n square by 2 plus 5n by 2. We need to find A25 An. To find A25 and An, first we should know S1, S2, S3. If we know S1, S2, S3, we can find the value of A1, A2, A3 by using the formula An equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. It is S3 students. So how to find, how to apply? We can find S1 by if you substitute n value as 1, it will become S1, which is nothing but A1. Then after, if you substitute n value as 2, it will become S2. 3 into 1 square by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Take LCM, 3 plus 5, 8 by 2, because 2 is same. LCM is 2, so 2 ones are 2 fours are. First term is 4. And S2, sum of first two terms. 3 into 2 square by 2 plus 5 into 2 by 2 equal 3 into 4. 2 square is 4 by 2 plus 10 by 2. If we simplify 12 plus 10 by 2, which is 11. So n is equal 3 if we take sum of 3 terms. 3 into 3 square by 2 plus 5 into 3 by 2, which is 27 plus 15 by 2. 42 by 2, which is 21. Means we know S1, S2, S3. To find A1, A1 is nothing but S1. Always in any AP, A1, S1 are equal. But to find A2, we will subtract S1 from S2. S1 is S2 is 11 minus S1 is 4. 11 minus 4, 7. This is second term. How to find third term? Third term formula S3 minus S2, which is S3 is 21 from this, minus S2 is 11. 21 minus 11, 10. So first three terms of APR, three terms of APR 4, 4, 7, 10. So 4, 7, 10. A is 7 and common difference is 7 minus 4, 3. So we need A25, which is from the formula of A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus 24D, A plus 24 into 3, 24, 3 is the 72. 72 plus 7, 79. 79 is 25th term. Similarly, An is A plus n minus 1 into D, 7 plus n minus 1 into 3. An equals to, if we multiply here, it is 3 students, 3 into 3n minus 3. So 7 minus 3, 4. 3n minus 4 is the answer for nth term. This is the one of the application when Sn is given, how to find an, A25, nth term. Different applications you have. Please practice more to get perfection. Let us go with the next slide, students, with more number of applications on AP. Here it is given that solve the equation for x, where minus 4 minus 1 plus 2 plus 5 up to plus x equal to 437. Means sum of all these three terms, sum of all these three terms sum of all these three terms is sum of all these three terms is 437 according to problem. Then we have to find whether it is for in this way we can do it or not. The sum of these all term is 437 is given. We have to check the x value. We have to find x value. To find x value, we should know n value. For that, what we do? So let us take a is equal minus 4 according to given question. D is minus 1 minus of minus 4 according to formula A2 minus A1, that is minus 1 plus 4, that is plus 3. So Sn equals to, according to formula, n by 2 of A plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 437. Substitute the values whatever we have except n, rest of values we have. Then 2 sent to another side of equality, it will become division. Division will become multiplication. 437 the 437 to the, sorry, I'm sorry children, 437 to the 874 minus 8n plus 3n square, 3n into n, 3n square minus 3n equals to 874. Simplify, we get 3n square minus 11 minus 8n, 874 equals 0. Apply splitting of middle term. We can split into 3n square plus 57n minus 46n minus 874 equal to 0. First two terms factorize 3n to get n minus 19. Second two terms factorize minus 46 to factorize n minus 19. So n minus 19 is common, students. Sorry children, here a small difference. Here it is n plus 7 19. Again here also n plus 19. So here as negative term is there, it should be negative, students. So minus 56n plus 46n. So if you factorize my n 3n, we get n minus 19. Here if you factorize minus 46, we get n minus 19. So n minus 19n. So we can write here 3n square minus 57n, because minus 11n is how larger number should be negative, plus 46n minus 874 equal to 0. Here we apply split of middle term method. So to get n value, 874 equals to 0. So after that, we got the values after doing split of middle term method. 3n of n minus 19 minus 46 of n minus 1 equals 0. n minus 19 is common. n minus 19 of 3n minus 46 equals 0. n equal to 19 or n equal to 46 by 3. It is not applicable because n always natural number only. It's never fraction. So number of terms is n is 90. n means 19th term is x. x equal to a 19 term according to formula a plus 18d minus 4 plus 18 into 3, 18 3 is a 54 minus 54 plus 4, sorry, plus 54, 18 3 is a 54 plus 54 minus 4, which is nothing but 50, means x value is 50. So next let us go with next problem, next application of AP, which is which term of AP 84, 80, 76 up to so on is 0 and also find Fn. It is a descending, decreasing arithmetic progression. An is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Nth term is 0. Substitute a value 84, d value minus 4, as we know a2 minus a1. So n minus 1 into minus 4 equal to minus 84. If you solve it, you get n is equal to 22. Already in this presentation only we have done n value 22. Sum of n term formula Sn equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d or else n by 2 of a plus an or else n by 2 of a plus l. In this case, last two term formula, any one thing we can use because a nth term we know 0. Substitute S22 is equal to 22 by 2, 84 plus 0, which is 11 into 84, 924. In this way, we can solve all the models of arithmetic progression, students. If you still we have some more models, we can do next slide, next PPT presentation. So please do well. It is itself is not enough. You need to continue practicing on a regular basis. Thank you, students.